As you can imagine, we visit thousands of properties, and today in SERDNA Talk, we're going to talk about which kitchen mistakes can destroy the sale of your property. Let's start with the famous overcrowded counters, which obviously are just not the way to go. Clutter or being messy is the enemy number one when you want to sell a home. And that probably means piles of dishes, mountains of unopened mail, among other things. Kitchens need to feel like kitchens, almost like a laboratory, because that's exactly what they are. They are the place where magical combinations of flavors, textures, and colors will be combined in order to create incredible and delicious dishes. So always make sure to keep everything neatly organized, just like a laboratory. Now, let's talk about plants, since anything fake sucks, especially if we're talking about plants. Fake plants will cheapen a kitchen's look. It doesn't matter if it costed you an arm and a leg. So, remove the artificial potted orchid or bunch of roses now. You can easily buy a simple square or tall cylinder vase and put fresh hydrangeas or a phalaenopsis, a sunflower, even roses will do. Stop buying fake flowers. Stop. And now let's talk about trash cans, since they are a very special accessory that most people neglect. Everyone seems to love plastic trash cans for some reason, but it's okay to have those in your garage or patio. But in your kitchen, if you don't have a designated space that it's behind doors, then your last option will be to buy a automatic stainless steel trash can. You don't have to spend $1,000, $2,000 on a trash can. You can definitely do it with $40, $50. Now, let's talk about old drawer knobs. If your kitchen is being used and abused, it's normal to see wear and tear. Chipped or scratched drawer knobs will make a kitchen look like you really don't care. And this is something that can be fixed in a matter of 1 hour. All you have to do is go to Home Depot or Lowe's, etc. Shop online if you like, but I'm pretty sure that all you need is a screwdriver and maybe a drill. A simple project like that will transform the look of your dated kitchen. Last but not least, let's talk about lighting, since nothing screams cheap kitchen more than outdated lighting. Replacing bad lighting for a budget-friendly chandelier or pendant can make a huge impact. Or try a small table lamp on the kitchen counter to soften the light, and remove any curtains from the window to allow more natural light in it. With today's technology, you have no excuse to have outdated, inefficient light in your kitchen, especially if it's on the market. So do your research, and I'm pretty sure that you will find great options. If you have any questions, just subscribe, double tap the bell to stay informed, and remember to share all SERDNA videos with your friends and family. Talk to you soon. I have to go. Bye.